We've seen so far that we can use 3 vertices to define a single triangle polygon. There are, however, 2 different ways of constructing that triangle. We can either start at a vertex and construct it in a clockwise direction or counterclockwise. If you remember what we've learned about the cross product of 2 vectors, you'll recall that the winding order of the vectors determines which way the positive axis of the cross product will point. So again, in the right-handed system, if our triangle is constructed clockwise, we'll know that the normal vector will point down, or in the negative direction, or away from us. Conversely, counterclockwise construction gives a normal vector pointing up, or in the positive direction, or towards us. The polygon normal, or the direction it's pointing, is used for many things, such as shading surfaces and determining which polygons are visible to the camera. Now that we've seen how triangle polygons work and what their purpose is, it's fairly intuitive to see how any 3D object's surface can be approximated by using a contiguous set of polygons.